Let us see the creation of multiple ledgers in Tally. The very first, let us go step one by one step here. To create multiple ledgers in Tally. How to create multiple ledgers in Tally? So in this section, what we are going to see, the process by which you create a ledger in a Tally system. So in this section, we are going to see how to create multiple ledgers in Tally. सबसे पहले क्या है, as you know that when you open the Tally, you click on the Tally icon and you go and you straight away the Tally software will be open. Tally software open हो जाता. So step 1 क्या है? What is step 1? Go to gateway of Tally. Go to the gateway of Tally and then choose accounts info as follows. ठीक है? Now यही step देखिए. Whatever it is given. So आपको क्या करना है सबसे पहले? There is a pic here which is not very clear, but एक आइडिया मिल जाता है. तो क्या करना है आपको? गेटवे ऑफ टैली में जाना है. Then you go to the system. Then you go to the accounts info, and then you go to the ledgers. It is a ledger written here. It is दिखना नहीं होगा आपको, but it is a ledger written. You click on the ledger. You click on the ledger, then you'll go for the next, and a ledger will be created. Okay, so पहला step क्या है? Go to the gateway of Tally and then choose accounts info as follows, and then the ledgers. Now the next step, as you go there,
में मल्टीपल ledger में आके create करने.
So you have step 1. In the step 1, go to the gateway of Tally, then choose accounts as information as follows. Step 1, go to the gateway. Then you have step 2 is the choose the option ledger under accounts info. Okay. Next you have, let's go to the step 3. Step 3 में क्या करना है आपको? Under the multiple ledger system. Until ये आपको screen आता. In that screen you will have gateway of Tally. That is accounts info. Accounts info में ledgers है. फिर उसके बाद आपको multiple single ledger and multiple ledger. तो single ledger होना तो आप single ledger click कर सकते हैं. Now let us अपन जो exam what we are learning is to create multiple ledger. So go to the multiple ledger section and just click on the create option. Okay. And then step 4. Then when you create the step 4, enter the following details under a multi-ledger creation system. So the under the group क्या है आपको? Under the list of group, choose the Bangalore data. So this is one of the section. It can be of anything. Okay. So it can be of Hyderabad debtors, or it can be Chennai debtors, or it can be of anything. But the thing is, it is a debtor group. It is a debtor group. माने जो खरीदार आपको the people who where you have to get receivables. ठीक है. The debtors are those people who owe you the money. So they are the debtors. However, we can search the group by entering group name under the group text also. Group text fit also. So this was your step 5. So step 1 क्या था? Go to the, what is step 1? What is step 1? Go to gateway of Tally and choose accounts as follows. Then step 2 is choose the option ledgers. Then step 3 is go to the multiple ledgers. Step 4 is enter the following details, what group you have to see. And then step 5. The step 5 is update the following details in the group Bangalore debtors screen. So उसमें step क्या है? Sub step 1. Name the ledgers first. First give the name. Enter the ledger name that we like to create in Tally. So first step is name the ledgers. Enter the ledger name that we like to create in Tally. जो भी आप group create करना है. Step 2. Under the group field will be automatically filled by Tally as Bangalore data. As the data पहले से store है system में, so automatically आप जैसा कि create कर लेते, automatically वो क्या आ जाता? Bangalore data बोल के नाम आ ही जाता. ठीक है. Then you have step 3. Sub step 3 in the step 5. Press enter to continue. After creating the details, जो भी आप create कर दिए details को और the नाम दे दिए Bangalore debtors, and then enter the continue button. So on the screen, you will get a message. What message you will get? We will get a message, accept, yes or no. So accept the updated details in tally. सीधा जो भी आपको स्क्रीन पे आ रहा वो देख लो, उसके डिटेल्स देख लीजिए. अगर वो डिटेल्स करेक्ट है तो आप एक्सेप्ट करिए. इफ इट इज नॉट तो गो बैक, प्रेस नो, अगेन गो बैक, अपडेट कर लीजिए डिटेल्स, एंड फिर अगेन वो पूछता है कि yes or no. If the details are correct, then move on. So by this is the method to create. We have now successfully created multiple ledgers in Tally ERP. Okay. So this was the process by which you created multiple ledgers in the Tally ERP 9, which you are calling as the latest one.